Hey guys, Ryan here, and today I'm going to give you a really quick update from the October newsletter from Google Local Service Ads. So there's a few things that are new and that are very exciting, actually. Number one is there's some new verticals that are going to be launching nationwide. So there's like auto repair, storage, laptop and cell phone repair, and there's also solar energy and solar storage. So be on the lookout for these. When LSA opens up for a new vertical, that's the time to start with LSA, with local service ads. Why? I'm part owner in a storage facility here in Fort Pierce, Florida, and we've experienced a significant increase in the number of phone calls, and the cost per phone call is dramatically lower than Google pay-per-click, as you would expect. So definitely you want to look at those new verticals. So that's the opportunity for you. So if you know anybody in these verticals, let them know, okay? The other thing is that this lawyer verification process is still going on nationwide. Definitely read up on that. And then the other thing is that there's actually an ability to get an estimate from a Google Local Service Ads business. Certain verticals are allowed to basically give an estimate right within the Google Local Service Ads platform. So if you're one of those businesses, definitely take advantage of that. See how it works. Obviously, if you're like a contractor or any business like that, this is going to be something that is really going to help you to generate potentially a lot more business for your business. Okay, and the other thing that Google has done is they've made it so that you actually have to have a verified Google business profile in order to set up a Google Local Service Ads page. This is something that a lot of businesses have asked me about. Is that going to reduce the amount of spam listings that are in my vertical? We think that it will probably help with that. I think that's part of the reason why Google is doing this, is so that they can actually get more verification that a business is actually there, that it's actually a real business, and that it's not just some prop-up business that's just there, to try to get as many leads as they possibly can. This is the reason why Local Service Ads was created in the beginning. And so I'm glad to see that Google is cracking down on this, and I think it will level the playing field and even up the ability for businesses to compete. And by the way, this is a really good reason to go to and join our school community. You can go to Local Lead Labs, and you'll find our school community. It's a great community with tons of information, and if there's other business owners there that you can share your knowledge with and that you can learn from for free. It's completely free. So you can go in there and communicate with other business owners that are having the same issue happening to them or situation, and get information from them on how they dealt with it or how they dealt with these businesses that are fake listings, that are not real listings. And so there's definitely a process to follow. So if it's happening to you, let us know. We can send you that post, and you can actually just text us at 619-304-5155, or just go to the school community and make a post there and ask what people are doing about these spam listings. The other change that's happening, or one thing that they just wanted to make you aware of, is you can post up to 6 photos to your Google Local Service Ads page. And I think it's great, the suggestions that they made, to take pictures of your team actually doing the service. Take pictures of a completed job of what you guys have done. Take pictures of your employees talking to the person that they're going to do work for. These are great pictures that will really help to get you better conversions, because when people are looking in that 3-pack at the top in Google Local Service Ads, there's not really a lot for them to select from other than the pictures, and then obviously the information on the first, on the first screen there. But a lot of times they'll click into the business and they'll want to see those pictures. And when you have very inviting professional pictures, it can make the difference between somebody calling you or somebody calling a competitor of yours. So these are great updates. As always, you can go and ask us about any of these updates by texting us at 619-304-5155. We do have a freebie that you can click on down below, the 5 mistakes that people make when they set up their local service ads page. Click on that and you can get that very quickly. It will help you to know what to avoid when you're actually setting up your Google Local Service Ads, and that will give you access to the community as well. And again, the link's below in the video. All right, thanks. Have a great day. Talk soon.